Spike, do you think, do you feel like you accomplished what you set out to do?
Oh yes, we did because we got the word out and we definitely put the focus on Chicago for the world to see about what's happening here. But as we state in the film, it's not just Chicago, it's not just Chirac, it's Philadelphia, Philly, it's Baltimore, Murderland, where the homicides have gone crazy since the murder of Freddie Gray. So this epidemic is across the country. It's not just the hood. 90 Americans die every day in this country due to gun violence, most of them with suicide, but it's something that has to be addressed. As a nation, as a moral nation, we have to address this gun issue. And there's sensible gun measures that need to be taken so we could be a safer country.
Yeah. See,